95% of creators are making this mistake, which is causing their subscribers to stay low. So this is the real reason your followers don't subscribe, and it all comes down to context. So what do I mean when I say context? I'm talking about giving your viewers, your fans, your audience, your followers, context into who you are, what you do with your life, what your interests are, what you don't like, just everything about you so they feel like they know you. And it comes down to, if you can build context, you're going to build parasocial relationships. And this is very important, why you must build context. When I'm talking about parasocial relationships, I'm talking about one-sided relationships. So say it this way, you and your friend, that's a two-way relationship. You're interested in them, they're interested in you. With a parasocial relationship, it's a one-way bond. So they feel like they know you, or they're interested in you more than you know who they are, or more than you're interested in them. But I don't want you to see it as, oh, they only care about me. You need to be still looking at it. Okay, I care about all my viewers, but not individually. I don't know who this is individually, or I don't have a care indirectly or interest in them individually. So in the past, parasocial relationships were built mainly with your A-list celebrities. So think of people like Michael Jackson. With in the 90s, the 80s, the 70s, with all the newspapers, people thought they knew who Michael Jackson were. They liked his music, obviously. They liked him because of that. They were like, oh, he's in this country, he's in Paris. Oh, he's up to this now. Oh, there's this shenanigan about him. They felt like there was that bond with him. They felt like they actually knew who he was and his life. So that's why when he, say, went on tour, instant sellouts. That's why even when he passed away, there was so much emotion and so much care about it, because people felt like they had that bond with him. So that's why it's very important. Now, the reason you want to build up parasocial relationships is because it avoids passive viewers. At all cases, we must avoid passive viewers. We don't want people who are only going to be watching your content when they're bored. We want people who are going to engage in your content. They're going to like it, share it, comment, so it fuels your algorithm even more. So why is it important to give context to build parasocial relationships when it comes to getting subscribers and making money on OnlyFans? It all comes down to the core subscriber motivations, and specifically building personal connection. If subscribers only wanted explicit content, they can go anywhere. There's unlimited and an infinity amount of free platforms that they can get content for free. One of the reasons people are subscribing to OF creators is because they want to build personal connections with people. It's something they lack in real life. And this is why, say, they may pick you over a different creator as well, or why they may pick a different creator over you, because they want to have that personal connection with someone. Okay? So think of it this way. Say a stranger versus a friend. Say there was two exact same products in the street. Let's say hot chocolate. You're going to have a hot chocolate no matter what. You're going to pick one. You're either going to pick your friend, your best friend, and think your best friend that you've had for 10 years, you know them, you like them, you're interested in them, or just a random man off the street. You have to pick one. You're probably going to pick the friend because you know them, you like them, you trust them. Just you have that bias towards them. So this is the same. This might be why you're not getting any subscribers, but people like Marie D are, Camilla are, Jelly Beans are, and top OF platforms. And when it comes down to a subscriber wanting to talk to a creator, they want to talk to people they're most interested into, or they want to buy from people they have the most interest to. Okay, so how do we actually build parasocial relationships? How do we foster people to actually be interested in you? There's three main ways. And this is very important because what we're trying to get out of people, we want people to feel like if they click on Instagram, oh, I must watch her content, or I must subscribe to her. We need people interested in you at that high level. So the first way, and I don't recommend most of you do this, but it's actually very, very powerful. You can integrate your content into showing your lifestyle, what you're up to. The only problem with this is it's harder to go viral. So that's why I'm not recommending it, because most of you still need to focus on going viral. A creator who's really good at this is Camilla. She's always posting, say, even with her podcast clips, we can get to understand her opinions on certain topics. We're always seeing what she's buying, what she's up to. Oh, she's in this country. Oh, she's at this fashion week. We're getting to know her, and this creates interest over time. The second way is by live streaming, TikTok lives, Instagram lives, and even OnlyFans lives, because then you're able to answer questions and have that one-to-one connection with people, and that's just going to foster it. But the number one way, which you all need to be doing, is utilizing your story to the maximum. We do not need you to be posting and going offline. You need to be posting on your story every day, what you're doing, what you've got planned today. Maybe tell a story, an opinion, share a meme, make people laugh. Then over time, what this is going to do is just chip away people's interest for you. Maybe not today they're interested, but after 10 days of seeing your story, they're more interested. And every time they click the Instagram app or whatever app they're on, they have to click on your profile first. They have to see what you're doing today or what you've got to say. And that's how you build interest. Now, if you can build parasocial relationships and build that context, what only you're going to see happen, not only you're going to see your engagement on social media increase, more comments, more likes, more shares, not only you're going to get more subscribers, but each subscriber is going to make you a lot more money as well. They're going to be throwing money at you. Okay? So I need you to think today, which one are you going to do? Are you going to start live streaming more? Are you going to start integrating your life into content? But you all need to start, as of today, posting on your story and utilizing it to show people more about you so we can foster those relationships. Now, if you found this video helpful, I have plenty other videos on my channel about how to increase your marketing to get more views on OnlyFans and how to get better quality subscribers. So go through my YouTube channel. There's a few things I have in my Telegram group. There's a link in the description, which is a bit more, say, advanced knowledge that you can take use of. And for some of you that are struggling and want to scale your OF to a different level, send me a message on Instagram or Telegram at ArdenBliss1. I may be able to give you some free advice, or you may even be able to form a partnership.